What's up, guys? Nick from the Average Biker Garage, back here with another episode introducing the new project. This is a 2006, 2007, I can't remember the exact year, Yamaha Vstar XVS 650, I think. It's a little Yamaha 650. I traded blue balls for this bike and another bike that will be featured on the channel here in a little bit. But this is hopefully going to be a quick, not necessarily a build. I don't want to call it a build. Because I'm not taking it down to the frame like the two Shadows. But I will be fixing and just cleaning up, putting a unique twist on this bike, and hopefully turning around and selling it real quick, and hopefully getting that Sportster. I'm still working on getting that Sportster. That's the goal. That will be a competition build for next year, the Wild Stallions build that's in 2024. So this one, I'm not real sure what I'm going to do exactly with it yet. It's definitely getting lowered. I've already ordered a lowering kit for it just to drop that ass in. About 1.5 inches is what it said. And probably, I'm definitely going taller bars on it, probably 14s. And maybe a custom exhaust. I don't know. I haven't really looked at the exhaust setup on this to see if there's something that I can do. I've got an idea. I just don't know if I can do it. So, yeah. With that being said, let's take a tour of the bike. Alright, there you have it, guys. That's the new project bike. Hopefully it will be done soon. So, if anyone is looking for a Yamaha Vstar 650, keep your eye on the page and get a hold of me when it's for sale. So, thanks for watching again, guys. We just hit 300, well, at the time that I'm recording this. I don't know when this video is coming out. But at the time of recording this, we just hit 300 subs. So, I want to say thank you to all you guys for liking and commenting and sharing and following along with what I'm doing. It's very humbling and greatly appreciated. So, if you're watching this and you haven't subbed, please do that. And go over to my Instagram and follow along there too. So, anyway, much love, all greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, guys.